Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to make the app icon bigger in this device. So in this video I will show you two different methods to make the app icons bigger. The first one from the home screen itself, but just press and hold the home blank area of the home screen. Now tap on the edit button on the top left side, tap on customize. So here you can see two options, small, large. To make the app icons bigger, select the option large. Now you can see the app icons are much bigger than the previous one. If you want to go back, select the option small. You can see, right? You can see the change, right? So this is our first method to make the app icon bigger in this device. And the next one, directly go to the settings, tap on the option display and brightness. Now scroll down. Just wait. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option display zoom. Tap on this one and select the option larger text. After this, tap on done on the top right side. Select the option use zoomed. Now you can see this is a little bit bigger than the previous one. So simply in these two methods you can make the app icons bigger in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.